This Claude Cowork automation can get you infinitely new leads every month for your business. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking down how much this will cost, how to set all this up, and how you can test this automation out for yourself and get a free couple of hundred leads just to see if it's the right fit for you and your business. So once you're on our desktop, you need to make sure you have a Claude desktop app installed. If you haven't done so already, just go to Claude.downloads and you just download the desktop app. Okay, so once you're there, let's head over to Claude Cowork, open up projects, create a new one and name it whatever you want it to be. And then here on the right, I'm gonna add some instructions to make the project better. It's not needed, but I do recommend it. You can set up the instructions how you want, but I do have a template that I do recommend. You can access it in the free school community link down below. I literally copy and pasted this template over here, and then I'm gonna edit it, and then press save. And now since Claude can't really scrape and look things on LinkedIn, we need to connect it to tools like Apify. It's a scraping tool and it's gonna give Claude the ability to scrape all of those profiles for us. Now, when we sign up, they give you $5 of free credits, which is enough to give you a couple of hundred of free leads from the automation itself. So once we have signed up, let's just go to settings and then let's go to API integrations. So as you can see, there's a personal API key. What we need to do is copy that and go back to Claude and then go to customize, click connectors, and then hit the plus sign here and then click the browse button. Type in Apify, install it if you haven't done it so already, and basically put in your API token in the settings of the connector. Now, unfortunately, there is some technical reason I can't explain why it's unable to install. So if you run into this problem as well, all you need to do is click the plus sign again and then add a custom one. Enter this URL, I'll link in the description, and name it Apify. Once that's done, let's go back to the project and then press plus. And then let's see, let's make sure that Apify is enabled. Now, last two things. We need to install some skills into this automation. Again, you don't have to do it, but I really do recommend it to make the automation as efficiently as possible. So let's go back to customize, go to the skills bar, and let's click add new skill. So I'm going to drag in 2 skill files that you can find in the free school community. And once we drag it in, and let's just add those skills in. Okay, now that's done, let's scrape our first leads. Again, the prompt template is found in the free school community. Let's copy the prompt template and then paste it in here. Okay, so let me edit the position and company part of the template that aligns with what I want. Okay, now that's done. Let's let Claude Cowork do its magic, basically. Okay, now it has found me 10 leads and created it into a Google Sheet for me to access. Okay, in this Google Sheet, I can see the name, the company, the role, the headline, the LinkedIn URL, some context of the person, which will be then used to make the personalized messages and follow-up messages that you need to, that you want. So now the next steps are we want to generate these messages automatically and get that part of the process automated. So let's use this prompt from this document and just paste it in. And then press enter and let Claude Cowork kind of just do its magic again. Okay, now it has updated the sheet with all the connection request messages that you can see here. Now we need to make a follow-up message as well. So let's just kind of go through an example, right? Let's copy the LinkedIn URL and then paste it into the browser. Okay, now that has loaded, what we do is we press connect and then we would add note and then kind of just copy the beginning message and paste it in when we have it automated. So let's copy in this prompt as well from this document and let's paste it here. Okay, again, let Claude Cowork kind of just do its thing. Okay, now it's done. You can see that it's done the same thing and the follow-up message is here done for me, though we need to make sure here on the status column it changes the status when a connection is sent, or if they have replied, or if they are not interested, or if I sent a follow-up message already. So here, let's go into Claude Code, copy and paste this for now, and say I have connected with these, LinkedIn URL, and now Claude has changed their status on the Google Sheet. Now going back to the document, for the status changes prompts, you would do this every time if a connection is sent, a follow-up is sent, if someone replied, or if they're not interested, and then it will update the column for each LinkedIn URL listed. If you think this seems very manual, then let's just kind of automate this into a cron job or scheduled task that runs every morning or whatever time you want for us every day. So let's go to schedule, let's go back to the projects and let's copy and paste in this, but we need to edit it according to the positions and company types I want it to be. So I click on schedule task, allow. Now I can see that it's a scheduled task to turn on every 8 a.m. But instead of 10 leads, let's change this into 333 leads a day by going back here and just typing it in. And also telling us to update the scheduled task accordingly. Now it's set up, there is literally no technical limitation on how many leads you want it to run every day. But something to know is that you will have to upgrade your Apify plan if you want to expand its automation to find you more leads every day. But I suggest you trying it out first and iterating it so that it finds you leads with high quality scores for your business. You will have to upgrade your LinkedIn account as you're only allowed to send 5 personalized ones a day if you're on the free plan. If you want it where the messages are sent out automatically, just go to autoploy.us or first link in the description. Or if you want AI systems, solutions, or AI setups, we can get it done for you without any hassle on your side. Now last thing, let's go through the cost of sending out all these leads. For every 100 leads you want to send, it's only $1.20 on your side. For every 300 leads, it's only $3.60. Every 600 leads, it's about $7.20. And for every 1,000 leads, it only costs you $12. Now again, I suggest going small first, maybe 20 or 30 leads a day, and then iterating based on the feedback you get from the leads. Please note this should be used as a baseline AI automation. You still need to iterate it based on what you want and make it better as you use it more. Again, Apify already gives you about 420 leads with the $5, so treat it as experimental leads and see if even one converts. If you want this setup done for you or more personalized for you or more advanced for you, or you want an entire AI solution for your business, then head over to autoploy.us where we set up everything for your business. Links in the description. The resources and prompts mentioned throughout this video are all in the free school community, links in the description. Like if you liked the video, subscribe if you actually got some value out of the video, and I'll see you in the next one.